In this video, I will show you how to fix apps not downloading on App Store on iPhone. Now, it's pretty simple to fix, just make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important steps, and I can show you all the multiple ways that I've found to fix this problem. But without further ado, the first thing we can do is we can head over to settings on our phone and actually click on the cellular option. Now once you click on that, you actually want to make sure cellular data is on. As you can see, mine was on before, but you just want to toggle it on if it's not. Then what you want to do from here is you just want to click on cellular data options, which is right here. Once you click on that, you just want to find where it says data mode. As you can see, mine is currently on low data mode. This is basically limiting the ability for the apps to not download. What we want to do is we either want to click standard, or you can choose 5G if you have 5G as an option. I'm going to choose that because the more data the better, and it's actually easier to download apps. Next thing we want to do is you actually just want to go back to settings if this did not work, or you want more guarantee that this will work. You just want to head over here, head over to App Store, and then you want to find where it says App Downloads. Now once you click on App Downloads, as you can see, you can actually choose the options for how many megabytes you want the apps to download that you're downloading. In this case, we want to always select Always Allow. This will allow any amount of apps, no matter how much storage they take up to download, assuming we have enough storage on our phone. But you do not want it to be on any of these two options. It's just easier this way. And then the next thing you want to do is you actually just want to head over back to settings, and once you're on settings, we actually want to leave settings and head over to the App Store. Now once we're in the App Store, we just want to log out of our account. This will basically reset downloading apps on our phone. How we do this, we click on the profile icon in the top right hand corner of any screen on the App Store. As you can see, once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page right here. You just want to scroll to the very bottom past all these apps that you have and click on the sign out option. Now once you click on sign out, it will sign you out of your account, and you just want to log back into your account like so. As you can see, I just click sign out. It might take a few seconds, and then how you sign back in is you just once again click on the little guy icon in the top right corner. And once you're signed back in, what you want to do from here is you just actually want to head over to settings. Now once you're in settings, once again, what you want to do is you once again want to go over to general right here. Once you do that, you just scroll to the very bottom and click on the transfer or reset iPhone, and then you want to click on the reset option. Now once you do that, it's going to give you a bunch of options for what you actually want to reset. In this case, we want to reset network settings, so once you click on that, it will actually toggle off, like completely turn off your phone black screen and turn it back on. This may take a minute, this may take 30 seconds, but once you do that, your phone should turn back on something like this. Now once your phone is back on, you just once again want to head over to settings, click on your Wi-Fi, but this time instead of turning it on, we just want to toggle it off. And then head over to cellular and once again toggle this off. Now this is basically completely resetting our phone so we can actually download the app. Then from here we just want to reset our phone now that we have no connection whatsoever. How we do this is we hold the power button or hold the top volume button too. But another way to do that is you just head over to general and you actually want to scroll down and find where it says transfer or reset iPhone. Now once you're on here, you just want to click on the reset option. And then you want to click on the reset all settings. This basically just resets your phone. Then you have to log back in with your password, and this should fix the issue of apps not downloading on your iPhone from the App Store. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the month, and it would mean a lot if you subscribe.